Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PlayStation Network using two-step verification step by step clearly. To authenticate with PlayStation Network using two-step verification, begin by navigating to the PlayStation Network sign-in page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, go to the account settings. Locate the security section in the account settings menu. Select the option for two-step verification. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. Choose your preferred method for receiving the verification code. You can typically select between a mobile app or SMS for this purpose. If using a mobile app, download an Authenticator app if you haven't already. Open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. If you chose SMS, enter your phone number and make sure it is correct. After confirming your choice, you will receive a verification code. Enter the verification code into the provided field on your PlayStation account settings page. Once the code is entered, confirm your choice to enable two-step verification. You will receive a confirmation message stating that two-step verification is now active. Make sure to store any backup codes provided for future access. Now, when logging in next time, you will need to enter your password followed by the verification code sent. This adds an extra layer of security to your PlayStation Network account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.